Alright, just giving a little update. I getting the wiring kind of done, and here's the grommet that goes in between the engine bay and the cabin. Here's going the connectors for the ECU. Then I got like the EGT probes, and I got them labeled going through here and going out. Then I got everything kind of rough, like the crank and my fuel pressure. And here's all the ignition coil stuff I got to figure out. And this one's for the O2 sensor, and here's the EMAP. And you come here, and we have the map sensor and the intake air temp. Then you have all the injectors, which I just have here, twisted with the power wire. The purple's the power wire, and they're all labeled, as you can see. Injector 7 and whatever they are. And the knock sensor. And I guess it's all bundled up or whatever, but it's cam angle, all the grounds, reverse lights, coolant, TPS sensor, boost control, starter, oil pressure and temp, crankcase pressure, turbo wheel speed, wastegate pressure. So yeah, we got all that stuff. So now I'm gonna start luming it up and test fit it. But you can see I've got the label maker here. I got this after, so I can go on here and label these. I can do that for the meantime, but I'll start luming all this up and test some stuff out and start getting on this wire in here soon. But yeah, it's going well.